What's going on, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to show you how to fold back the soft top on your Bronco and also how to completely remove the top so you can get it looking like this. So let's get right into it. To fold back the front portion of the soft top, you're going to reach up and undo the latch here inside of the truck. You basically just pull down on that handle, and then we'll undo the one on the passenger side as well. With both sides unlatched, you can grab the top at the front, push it up, and fold it right back and over. And then once it's seated in here, we can grab the straps out of our little toolkit and lock this down to hold it in place so it doesn't bounce. From here, if you want to fold the top all the way back, you're going to have to remove your side panel windows and your rear window, but it's not too tricky. The other thing you'll want to do is take those straps off that we used to lock the top in place, because you'll want to allow it to fold a little bit further. So to remove the side window, you're going to pry up on the Velcro, and you'll see inside there's going to be 3 little clips in here. So I'm just going to pinch these to undo them. And then from there, we can work the back of the window out of this channel. And we'll pull the front side out of the channel as well. And now I'm going to slide the window forward towards the front of the truck. With both of the side panel windows out of the way, now we just need to remove the rear window, and it's going to be a very similar process. So we'll start at the top here, and we're going to fold these corners back. And once they're up, you'll see there's some Velcro to pull back as well. And then we'll work our way across and undo all of these clips at the top. Move down to the bottom corner of the window. We're going to pop this out, and then there's a little tab at the top where this arrow is that just notches into place. So with that unhooked, pull that down. Now that side's free. Over here, we'll do the same thing. And then grab the window by the center, and we're just going to slide the whole thing out of the channel. Coming back around to the driver's side of the Bronco, there's going to be a gray handle here on the top. You'll push down on that, which will unlatch it. And now we can push the rest of the top all the way over and down to the back. As the top is settling on the back of the vehicle, you're going to want to go in and just push down on this, so that way it locks into place, and we'll do the same thing on the passenger side here. After the latches click on both sides, the top is seated in here pretty tightly, and you'll just need to push the gray handle again to pop it back up. But if you want, you can grab those straps from your kit that we used earlier and wrap them around the mechanism to make sure that this doesn't rattle or pop up on its own, especially if you're out on the trails or wheeling the truck a bit and it's going to be bouncing around. From here, if you want to completely remove the soft top from the truck, then you're going to need to go inside of the Bronco and pop out these plastic panels on both ends, and there's going to be 3 bolts behind it that we'll remove using the toolkit that's provided with the truck. As you can see, the panel just pulls out, doesn't require any tools. It's just got some white plastic clips that hold it in place. So with that out of the way, now we can get to the bolts. Before you can lift the whole top off the vehicle, there are 2 latches here inside that hook onto the insides of the cargo bay. So you're going to push up on both of these latches and lift the top up slightly, then release the latches and set it back down, so that way it's not locked in as you're trying to lift it off the truck. At this point, you'll want to grab a friend to help you lift the top off of the Bronco, and you just want to make sure that you bring it straight up and that you clear your brake light and your spare tire so it doesn't get hung up as you're pulling it off. Well, there you have it, folks. That's how you remove the soft top entirely from your Bronco. And I know that some people, after seeing it removed, do have concerns about security and people breaking in. And obviously with a soft top like this, that's just going to be one of the things that you sacrifice. The vehicle is going to be a little bit more exposed, and these tops can be cut through, and you could cut through the windows if you really wanted to. But the reality is that you can also still lock the truck and set the alarm. And if you're going to be running a soft top, you're probably not going to want to leave super valuable items sitting in there. And if you do, you can try and lock them into the center console or lock it in the glove box, because those do actually have locks from factory. So that is stuff to keep in mind, but if it's a concern and you would rather have security over the great outdoors, you can also go for the hard top, which is a little harder to remove, but does obviously provide a bit more of a barrier between your things and the people outside. So with that out of the way, hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you guys next time.